asked you to watch Arthurul?
Imran Khan.
What's your name?
Sophia.
What's the name of Arthurul's father?
Sulman Shah.
Can you please tell name of Sulman Shah's tribe?
Tai tribe.
Can you please tell names of Arthurul's main Alps?
Turgut Bamsi. Khan.
Can you please tell names of Arthurul's sons?
Usman Gundu Safti.
Which was the place where Al-Aziz was ruling?
Aleppo.
Can you please tell name of Al-Aziz's sister?
Leila.
Who was doctor of Kai tribe?
Artabe.
Can you please tell name of students of Artakwe?
Arbir Safti.
Can you please tell who was Halima's father?
Numan Effendi.
Can you please tell who was Halima's brother?
Eat.
Can you please tell names of Arthurul's brothers?
Gundogdu. Sungatik and Dundar.
Who was the religious scholar, mystic, poet, philosopher and a great spiritual help to Arthurul?
Al-Arbi.
Who killed Noyan?
Mergent.
Who asked Mergen to kill Noyan?
Alaku Khan.
Who was the father of Ogade Khan?
Changiz Khan.
Tell me the names of wives of Turgutal.
Asli Khan Aikez.
Can you please tell me names of Bamsi's children?
Asli Khan Arbis.
Which son of Arthurul founded Ottoman Empire?
Usman.
Who was the spy of Crusaders in Al-Aziz's castle?
Nasir.
Who was the main vizier of Sultan Al-Adin who also poisoned him?
Sadatin Quebec. Wait. I'm gonna do something. Wait. I just need to do something. I just need to do one. It'll be very quick. Okay? It'll be very quick.